In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook password. If for some reason you've forgotten your Facebook password or you are struggling to remember it after any update, I'm going to provide you with a quick guide on how to retrieve your Facebook password. And we are going to explore two different methods, so make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. With the first method, we are going to explore password manager. So in order to get to our password manager, we have to locate our settings on our phone. Then we have to scroll down till you locate Google and click on it. Then proceed to click manage your Google account. Among the list of menus on the top, swipe left till you locate security, then tap on it. Then you need to scroll down till you locate password manager, then proceed to click here. Here you have the list of all the passwords that have been saved on your password manager, so you can proceed to click on this one, Facebook. Then you have to use your PIN to confirm the authentication. This is just for safety. On this interface, we have our Facebook email address and we also have our password. So in order for us to view it, we can proceed to click on this eye icon. So this is one method to get access to our Facebook password in case we've forgotten it. With the second method, we are going to explore browser saved password. So we have to locate our browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. On the top right corner, I'll proceed to click on this icon. Among the bunch of menus, I'll scroll down till I locate settings, then proceed to click on it. Then on this interface, I have to proceed to click on password manager. There again, I have the facebook.com on this interface, so I'll proceed to click on it. So in order for us to get access to our password, we have to provide our PIN. This, as I said, is for your security measures. So once that's done, on this interface, we have access to our Facebook email address and the password. So in case we want to see our password, we can proceed to click on this icon. So these are the two methods for us to use in order to see our Facebook password. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this content, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.